Hi everyone, welcome back to Diljan Solution. In this video, we are going to download and restore AdventureWorks sample database in SQL Server and then run a simple query to verify that everything is working correct. Before we begin, let me explain what a sample database is. AdventureWorks is an official sample database provided by Microsoft. It simulates a real-world company environment. It contains structured business data such as customers, employee, purchase, product, sales, transaction, human resource, and more. This database commonly used for learn SQL practicing queries, understanding relationship between tables, testing report solution, and build real world database skills without touching production data. Now let's download it. Open Google Chrome work sample database scheme. So then from the search result, select official Microsoft. So here then page, scroll down until you see the backup file. As you see, you already saw the backup file. Make sure you download the version that matches your SQL Server version. In my case, I'm using SQL Server 2022. So I'll download the server. So I'm clicking this. Notice there is also data warehouse version is designed for analytics reporting scenarios. For this demonstration, we are not installing the standard OLTP version. We are only installing standard OLTP version, which is ideal for practicing queries and understanding the transaction system. So I already downloaded. Now let me go to my download folder. As you see here, work file. Then now I need to move this backup file to server backup directory. Let me right click this and copy this admin server. Then go to C drive and program file, move it to cursor SQL Server, then Express L, then open backup file, and then already in here. As you see already, I have one wide world we have there. So now I need to move backup file to SQL backup directory. For that I already did backup directory. So now SQL Server Management Studio, and then this studio waiting to see the connect to the instance. So I have a lot of updating to do to the later. So now what we have to do, now expand the database. As you see, I have already done server 2022. Let me delete this. So the work delete. It is now gone. Now right click on database, then restore database. So from here, see there is a source and destination. So now I have to select the device because our database in my device source is. So then I have to click on add, and you see that is AdventureWorks. Now I'm clicking OK, and it is in here, and OK. So it is came here again and again, and so you'll see the successfully is download. I'm closing this part. Now let's run like how it is working fine or not. Let's right click on AdventureWorks and then new query. You see it is now connected here. Now if you expand here, you see that the whole table and Final object is showing here. Now let me write a simple query. Select, simply checking that, executing this. So my database, sample database installed successfully and able to run the query. So using this database, you can now practice join, store procedure, sync, perform many other SQL Server concept easily within scenario. And thanks for watching. Keep learning in your real world skills with Diligent Solution. Thank you.